Hi, right. So this is a video explaining everything that we've done for Criterion A. So if you have missed any lessons or there's any work you want to add to or improve on or complete, then I will explain what you need to do in this video. If you want to know how to upload your Criterion A one-pager and use Adobe Spark, then there is another video on Google Classroom explaining that. So you might want to jump to that one if that's what you need. But for this project, so for Criterion A, we've looked at seasonal foods. The main activities you need to worry about is activity 1, so what is the problem? So we listed the problems with seasonal foods, things like transportation, which causes pollution, and also there is a need to try and keep fruits and vegetables fresh whilst they're being transported. We looked at food that's grown all year round, which can sometimes deplete the soil. So can demand for popular food. Demand for popular food can kind of increase labour, but also create low wages. So those are the 3 main problems that you need to kind of note down. Try and create a mind map here. That's what we did in the lesson. And if you look at your success criteria, if you're aiming for a 5 to 6 or a 7 to an 8, you're explaining and justifying why we need to solve these issues, why we need to solve problems around transportation, food grown all year, and demand for popular food. So create a mind map for this. Activity 2, you just need to list what you want to find out about seasonal foods. So here we said things like we want to find out what fruits and vegetables are grown in which seasons, what supermarkets currently have in stock in different seasons, so what's in the supermarket at the moment. We looked at origins of different fruits and vegetables, what fruits and vegetables are most popular, things like that. And then to prioritize them, so this column over here that says priority, you just need to say what is most important for you to find out first. So what would you do first? Maybe put a number 2 next to the second thing, a 3 next to the third thing that you might want to find out, and just number your research in terms of what you would find out first, second, or third. So for your third activity, you need to do a product analysis. So you can use either this one, there was also one that people did for homework, but you just need to show one for now. And you can answer these questions. So use Access FM to answer these questions about this giant salad. There's a link here to help you find out more information. But for aesthetics, you're talking about things like what it looks like. So I mentioned it's quite colourful, things like that. Cost, this would cost between about £5 to £10 roughly, but I'll let you kind of make your own estimate. Who do you think it would be for? Is it environmentally friendly? So look at the ingredients that are in there and think about, are they in season? Are they going to need to be transported? Are they grown here? Things like that. Size, how many people does it serve? And safety, what kind of things, does it have any sort of common allergies, things like that. Function, what it does, try and talk about the different food groups that you're getting from this salad. And materials, again, just generalize. I'm not expecting you to list all the different ingredients, just sort of generalize. This would basically just be fruits and vegetables. There are some other things in there as well, but I'll let you find those out for yourself. And finally, you need to summarize your research. So based on those 3 tasks that you've just done, you need to look at what you've done. So for seasonal foods, the problems with seasonal foods, you would have done a mind map. So explain your mind map and talk about how that's going to help you come up with your own seasonal recipes, because that's kind of our end goal here. We're going to make our own seasonal recipes using seasonal fruits and vegetables. Research task 2, what will I find out? Again, just explain what you did. And product analysis, also explain what you did and how it was useful. If you are just stating the findings of research, if you're just listing the 3 things that we did, then that's a 1 to 2. If you only talk about the existing product, you're looking at 3 to 4. But if you talk about all 3 tasks that we've done in detail, then it's a 5 to 6, 7 to 8. Okay. Once that's been done, you will need to put all of those slides on one page in Adobe Spark. I'm going to explain that in a second video. So pop over to that one and yeah, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, any questions, please do email me. But make sure that your work is in by our next lesson at the very, very, very latest.